Hey boys, are you ready for the ride? So today is day 5 of Open Source Contribution Challenge. I know I'm not making a lot progress, but since it's my like first time trying it and I didn't get much of mentorship or something like that, so I'm taking a little time to get comfortable with things, but slowly and certainly I'm able to. So right now I'm working on an issue. Yes, get to, I lost it. Well, I lost. Well, there is that issue. I just lost it. Yeah, this one is the right now. So the previous issue I left it because I wasn't able to get this update button. I try all my best, but since I'm able to get it, I'm not very bothered about it anymore. Now, what's my plan is solve this issue where the tooltip have a bad behavior. Tooltip doesn't work as expected. So I'm looking to fix this problem. Someone has like 3 days ago. So overall, this is a problem which I'm trying to solve, and moreover, I'm trying to get to understand the repository. For the moment, I've got this. Yesterday, I didn't had this graph and stuff. I got to know that I need to start a VM Quadman. Get this. I don't know why I have this while this screenshot there is no Podman, there is just Podman message. I did try to stop this behavior, but I don't know. Like I'm quite new to it, but I'm getting used to now. Also, today I did fork a repository. Yeah, Thanos. And also I did try to run Cortex. I failed because I don't know, it just crashed. See, I have this RAM. I really think is this like really less now? Back in the days when I bought this laptop, it was like it was the best RAM possible at that time. And my laptop don't support like external RAM, like I cannot upgrade the RAM. So I don't know, maybe I'll buy a laptop, but for that I need some money. At the end of the day, it all boils down to a job. So support me, guys. Hope I get a job and I get in a habit to contribute to open source. I'm getting used to it. Certainly, today I'm just trying to dig to the repository, try to understand. Going well. Well, that's all for today. Thank you.